Hey there, Ali. It's Marcy here. I spoke with you probably just over a week ago and got your email so I could shoot you off this video. And what I'm going to show you in this video is 3 things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. You're most likely asking yourself, why would I be doing this? What's in it for me? But what I have found is that more often than not, when it comes to internet marketing, most business owners are too busy running their business to learn how it can actually work to their benefit. And sometimes the only hesitation that they have when hiring someone is they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. So what I found is that by giving people an easy blueprint of actual things that you can do to impact their business for free, it's resulted in some of those business owners still raising their hand and saying, I like you, please do this for me. So if by the end of the video you liked what you heard, we can chat. You know, if you see that I've got a few tricks up my sleeve that can help your business, for sure, let's talk about it. But if by the end of the video you just want to take this the free tips that I gave you and do it yourself, that works for me as well. So I'm going to dive right in here. I don't want to take too long. What I'm going to do though is I'm going to go over, when I say the 3 things, I'm going to go over content, citations, and backlinks. So to begin with content, what I am referring to is the information that you've got on your homepage and in and throughout your entire site. Google likes to see anywhere from 1,000 to 1,500 words of content, because what they do when they come across a site on the internet for the first time, and they keep crawling it after that, but definitely the first time they're going to go in there, what they're wanting, they crawl the entire site. What they're wanting to do is discover what it is that this site is adding to the internet, what type of information, and in your case when it's a service, they want to know what it is you offer and where are you offering your service. That way they can serve it up to people when they type whatever it is that they're looking for. And just so I don't forget, I just noticed here, your site is not secure. They are giving preference to secure sites. So, you know, whoever you've got handling that, maybe bring that to their attention and get that secured up for you. But back to the content. So they want to keep people, you know, what's in it for Google is they want to keep searchers on their search engine, because that's how they make the money. So whoever's got, you know, the most relevant, authoritative content in your market for what the person's searching for, that's who they're going to push up to the top of the line so that they can be seen first and they can, you know, satisfy what they're searching for. So definitely an opportunity to add some, you know, quality, unique, authoritative content on what it is that you do with keywords. You're thinking of it when you're writing this content, using keywords that people would actually be typing into the browser. I'm going to go next to citations, explain what a citation is. A citation is a place on the internet where you're going to find your exact business name, address, and phone number. So 411, Yellow Pages, Yelp, any type of directory, any place where you're going to find name, address, phone number. So this section here, this map section, Google My Business Listing, is a citation itself. And the more citations that you have, the more, you know, beating out your competitors with citations is what is going to help you to be seen further up in these listings. So obviously the best place to be would be one of these top 3 without having to click more. Statistics show that probably about 50% of the clicks on the homepage are going to one of the 3 businesses that are right here. So that's the importance of doing the work and beating out your competitors to be in this section. Do what you can to be in this section. Now down here, this is what we call the organic section. So what is helping the sites and helping Google to choose who's going to be up there? That's where the backlinks come in. And what a backlink is it is a place, it's when another site on the internet, a third-party site, links back to your site. Or you can think of it as how the search engines see it. If we think of the internet as being a big popularity contest, it's a vote for you. The more sites that you have linking to yours in the search engine's eyes, that's vote for your business. Now, not all links are created equal. It's not sheer quantity. Definitely quality is going to overrule quantity. You want to have links coming from sites that Google trusts, and best case scenario that are relevant to what it is you do. So in saying that, you know, if you had a link from Pizza Hut, it doesn't really benefit you that much because you don't deliver pizzas. So I've put your site into this tool, and I took that top ranking site on the first page to put in the same tool so we can see a comparison here with your competitors and what you would need to do if you wanted to beat them in rankings. So this tool shows me that you have 6 other websites on the internet that are referring back to your website, giving you 30 backlinks. You're being found for about 10 words, so you can see this is where it's important with having the keyword rich content. And then that your site had just 2 visitors last, you know, approximately 2 visitors. And this usually kind of goes month over month. So, you know, you're a few pages deep into the search, so there's not a lot of people finding you just organically. Now, that site that's in the number 1 position, you can see the benefit that they're receiving from being in that number 1 position. They have 222 other sites on the internet that are linking back to theirs. They're being found for over 1,000 keywords. And they had just over 800 visitors to their site last month. So this is where the backlink profile really helps your business, and why I share this information with business owners. So if you'd like to you know, find out a little deeper how it is that you can beat your competitors with the rankings, as I said, happy to chat with you about that. But barring that, just love to hear some feedback. You know, I'd like to know that I'm making these free videos, and I just want to make sure that I am providing some value to business owners. So we'll talk to you soon. Ali.